What's up, guys? Jason here at Canyon Adventure Vans. We are at the Adventure Van Expo in San Juan Capistrano this weekend, and this place already, I don't even know what time it is, but it opened up at 10 and it is packed. Lots of vendors, lots of cool products, custom vans, accessory companies, camping gear, you name it. So really great event. I just wanted to show you our booth a little bit too, so check this out. So we got our Storyteller here. We're always rocking the Storyteller flag. These guys do a lot for us, so we're super appreciative of them. And we have massive products for this platform, from our Climashade window covers that you never have to take down. You just unzip them when you want to take a peek outside or when you're driving. These just stuff right in here like so. Super clean. We have our new Cargo Tray System Pro. This thing has been absolutely one of our best sellers now for the garage. What's unique about it is we made a cargo tray, just a regular cargo tray, but we added a bunch of different holes in there so we can create an ecosystem of products. So once you buy the cargo tray, you can constantly add to it and kind of configure it how you want. What we've noticed in the last couple of years, post-COVID, is there's not as many people sitting in the back of their garages like it used to be, because they were working remote and they were traveling so much they wanted the extra seating. Now we're seeing more people that just want to have more organization. They'll keep their beds down. So we kind of designed this product for that, keeping that in mind. What's great about this is you can start with the cargo tray. It just bolts right down to the L track. So it's literally a 5 to 10 minute install. And then you can start adding different things. So this one has 20-inch legs. We offer them in 16-inch legs as well. So you bolt your 4 legs on, and then you can put a tray on top. And then you can also take it one step further and put a sliding tray on top as well. So with the Storyteller, this makes a lot of sense. So now I have, how I pack it is I have all of my inside stuff, could be food, clothes, getting stuff, all my shower stuff like that in here, because this will slide out over the groove lounge. So as I put that groove lounge bench down and turn it into a couch, this goes out into the van 48 inches. So really cool there, and you're maximizing the storage. So a lot of times we'll do cargo trays on the bottom and we'll see people stack it about this high, and then you have all this empty space. So doing a double decker like this really maximizes every square inch of storage, which we all know is huge and important in your van. But the most important thing to me is organization. Everything has its place. I love that. I love a clean van. I like everything put away. It would be like being at home in your living room and having boxes and crap all over your floor. It would drive me absolutely crazy. So having a place for everything, everything's tucked away and really nice and clean, and I can get tons of storage in here. So it's really efficient. Then we have all these little accessories where you can bolt on the MOLLE panels. You can do them on the ends. You can do one end. You can do it on the back, whatever you see fit. And then we have little accessories like this that just drop right down into there. We have rubber bumpers on everything so it doesn't rattle when you're going down the road. This same thing with this little table here. It just pops off and then stows away really nicely. You can also get it with bungee cords or you can just leave it open. That way you can get to your boxes and your gear in here. And then let me slide this in and see how that just goes all the way inside the van. And then now this is our other one. This is the same cargo tray, a little wider. We have them in different widths. And then with this one, we added the gear wall. So the gear wall is really cool because you can start mounting things, and you can actually move this gear wall to this side if you wanted to. You can put gear on both sides if that's your jam. But very organized. I have it, I'm just showing that you can add the Milwaukee packouts to this as well. There's tons of little drop-ins that you can do and kind of configure this how you would use it when you're traveling. Again, you can drop in shelves. We have little racks where you can hang your spatula. You can put a little cooktop on here if you want. You can put a little cooler in here. We have spice racks now. We have paper towel holders. We have all these, an ecosystem of accessories that bolt on to our MOLLE panels to really keep you organized when you're traveling. So really stoked on that. And then of course the stop stays, if you know, you know. And then inside, we got our seat back MOLLE panels, our new aluminum tables, under cabinet shelves, MOLLE panels over here, different types of little shelves, like I keep my Listerine in here. We have spices. We make 3D spice holders as well. Hooks to hang towels. Over here we have our kitchen cabinet, or our Storyteller kitchen caddy. We have a mirror, our L-track here to hang coats and towels. And then we also have an under cabinet shelf right here. And then we have our Keurig holder. This is great because it stays put. I never have to stow it. It's always here. We have 3D printed Keurig holders, the K-cups, so they go in there. So everything is right here. I don't have to stow it. It's nice and neat. I have a shelf up here for all my stuff. Lots of goodies in here. And then of course, one of our best sellers is our dash tray. And we have, this is the Dash Tray Pro. So you can add your different mounts to here. So if you wanted to do a phone, your radio, walkie-talkie, whatever, iPad, Garmin. And then our little, this is the passenger cubby. So it's great to store more things. Again, our seat backs here. These are great because you can stow things in here. You have all these little shelves that you can add. I have a flashlight. This holds my hats. This is great for any passenger that's sitting here. They can put their drinks and cups. We also have a cup holder that we mounted there. So lots of goodies. Show you some more stuff. So we have two Storytellers here. This is our other company, Hive Overland. We specialize in truck camper storage systems and accessories. So we have, this is on a Dodge 3500. It's a pretty sick truck. It's got the Super Pacific camper top, and it's great because you can come in here, fully stand up, and then when it's time to go to bed, you just slide that out and drop down. But tons of storage in here. You can always have this packed, so if this is your everyday driver, you can have all your gear in here completely loaded up, and all you need to do is grab food and go, and you're done. You don't have to worry about, did I grab this, did I grab the chairs, etc. So everything's always in here, loaded up, ready for your camping trip. And then this is our Dragonfly tarp. We have a bracket that gets bolted right on to the Super Pacific camper, and then we put our Dragonfly tarp out. And this is nice. Even if you did it for a day, it only took us like 5 minutes to install it. So if you're at the beach or lake, river, you got that extra shade. We got the slouch couch under here. And then coming over on this side, we have an Ekko here. This is Brian Whidden's Ekko, and we make all the interior parts for that as well. This is a brand new product that we came out with. This is the garage mounting platform for the Ekko, and it just makes everything flat instead of having this weird, it's just hard to like really organize your gear in here because of the step up. So now you can still get gear in here. Now it's flat. But the real cool thing is it's already pre-made, so you can drop in our cargo trays. So the same cargo trays I just showed you on the Storyteller, you can add here. We'll have a 38-inch one, so you'll have two of them, one that goes out that door, and then one that comes out this way as well. So that way you're not reaching in here trying to get all your gear. You can just slide everything out. You can do the double decker like I just showed you as well to really maximize all the storage in here as well. So very lightweight. Took me about 20 minutes to install that, but we're really excited about that. And then we have a bunch of accessories in the Ekko as well. The typical under cabinet shelf. The end cubbies here just adds more storage. Same thing over here, under cabinet shelf. And then we have this whole system in here. This is over the door, which is great because you can have more storage, organization here, paper towel holder. We close this out to keep all your Tupperware and plates and stuff from falling out when you're driving. We have another under cabinet shelf right here. We make a dog bowl for those that have dogs. And then coming back here, we have this one as well in the bed area. So this just gives you more storage. It's just clean. We finished it off with a nice kind of tan, light tan beige powder coat on there. But really excited about all these products as well for the Ekko. And then we have a Jayco over here. And then of course this Jayco has our mattress, our sheets. It has a GLSS driver's side. This is the desk. We're gonna bring this back out. We discontinued it for a minute, but now that we're manufacturing everything ourselves in our fab shop in Hurricane, Utah, we're gonna bring this back out. This is cool because this pops up and it comes out here and turns into a desk. So when you're sitting here, you have a great place to eat, hang out, work, etc. Of course, climate shades, stop stays. We got our door organizer here. This is great for just having accessories that go on the back. More climate shades. So now that we have our own fab shop, I think we're going to come out with a bunch of more products for the Jayco as well. Everything I just showed you with the Cargo Tray System Pro fits in here as well. So you can do the double decker, you can do the gear wall, so you can completely make this dream storage area in your garage too if you didn't want to sit back here. But this really opens up the van and gives you a lot more space to hang out. So that's our booth. It's packed today. Super excited to be down here. And if you're watching this and you're local to Southern California, come on down, talk to us, say hi. We'll play some cornhole and we'll kind of just hang out, and you can see all these other cool van builds and accessory companies. All of our partners are here. We got Owls over here, Rogue Van, Nobu, Otzi Vans, all the people. So come on out. And if we don't see you this weekend, we'll see you at another show. But this is amazing. It's a great community to come out and hang out.